Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. G, and it is a beautiful, beautiful Tuesday afternoon. And I'm just truly coming on here today to say thank you, thank you, thank you to all our donors for a successful soft launch of the Caregiver Support Foundation, which is our charity organization registered right here in the state of Delaware. And I am the founder, president, and CEO of this organization. So I just truly wanted to come on and extend our heartfelt gratitude and thank you to all our donors for doing such a phenomenal job, for helping us raise $6,435 last Saturday. You all are incredible. We celebrate you guys. So yesterday we decided to kick off another campaign to raise an additional $10,000. And the question should be, for what? So we are really truly gearing up to provide support and resources for family and professional caregivers to help them avoid burnout so that they can achieve the highest level of physical, emotional, and mental well-being while taking care of their loved ones and patients. So we say thank you. So from yesterday until October 20th, we want to raise $10,000 to help us do programs such as Put Your Mask On First Caregiver Retreat and workshops to provide them with best practice strategies and tools to take better care of themselves. So to avoid that burnout, so that they're providing culturally sensitive care, so that they're providing, top-notch services and care to their patients and loved ones, and also living at their best and highest potential. Because when you're whole, mind, body, and soul, you can do much better. And the outcomes will be better for both the care recipient and the caregiver. And we do not want to forget that caregiver. That's why we say caregivers matter too. So the Put Your Mask On First, providing respite services, just to help that caregiver take a break and just breathe, relax, and refuel. Or maybe run an errand, maybe go pick up medications for them or for a loved one. It is what we want to do, providing those respite services as well as mentoring and caregiver support groups, providing that safe space and non-judgmental space where people can just let out and fill up their cup of love so that they can continue to provide for others. So we want to become that powerful nonprofit organization in our quest of empowering family and professional caregivers by providing them those resources and access to the assistance and resources they need to unwind their physical and mental health. So we aim to create an impact in our community by taking care of those who take care of us. And with that, I say thank you. If you would like to support the cause, please see the link in our comments once I post this video, and just continue to give. Today, since yesterday, we have already raised $350. Yoo-hoo! Thank you to all of you. And I ask that you continue to share this video, share the message, and let us, if you are, I encourage you to come on board and partner with Caregiver Support Foundation, whether you're a hospital, whether you're a home health agency, whether you're a respite service agency. Let us get together, let us partner and go on this journey together and transform lives, changing one caregiver's life one at a time. Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your day.